Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are unable to install this update, that is Windows 11 version 22H2, and if you are receiving this error code, that is 0x80888002. So whenever you try to install it, if you are unable to install this version, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now let me inform you, this is a known issue right now. So there are many users who are receiving this error code, and this is a known issue right now. So you can either wait until Microsoft has fixed the problem. So just wait for next update, and that next update may fix the problem. Or you can uninstall the printer on your system that has Microsoft IPP Class driver installed. So whenever you install printer driver, along with that, if that particular printer driver is installing Microsoft IPP Class driver, then that particular driver is blocking the update. Now for this, I'll show you. In my case, I have Canon printer installed over here. So if I go to printer properties, go to advanced. Now along with this driver, Microsoft IPP Class driver is installed. Now this is the reason this is blocking the update. So either you can wait for Microsoft to fix the problem, or you can uninstall your printer. So you can uninstall your printer driver. Now when you uninstall printer driver, this may stop your printer from working. So if you don't need printer, then you can uninstall the printer driver. So you can open control panel and then go to uninstall a program. Then over here you will find your printer driver. So in my case it's Canon. So you can select it and then click on uninstall all your printer driver, and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, try to update your Windows 11. Or you can do one thing. Once you have installed the 22H2 Windows update, then you can try to install your printer once again, and still you are unable to install Windows 11 update. In that case, you can use Windows 11 installation assistant. For this, go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser, and you can use this Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now, run this exe file. Try this after you have check that after uninstalling the printer drivers still you're facing the problem. You will see accept and install option. In my case, this is already up to date. Still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 11. For this, you can go to this website again. Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now, and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop, and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will check for update. Then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install Windows 11 version 22H2 installed on your computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.